Hi everyone, welcome to the booth of TSUN. TSUN is specialized in producing microinverter, micro storage, and home residential solutions. And let me introduce about the series of our microinverters. We have the microinverter from 300 watt to 3 kilowatt. And we can see here we have the 1-in-1, 2-in-1, 4-in-1, and also 6-in-1 microinverter with different type of connections also available. We can provide with a customer who prefer with daisy chain connections, or we can also provide with the trunk cable connections. So for the customer in different countries with different preferences, we always provide the best solution for them. And I also would like to introduce our Easy Solar Kit solution. The Easy Solar Kit is a very plug-and-play solution that TSUN has been focused in 2019. This is the all-in-one solution, which the panel, foldable bracket, microinverter, and all the cabling accessories which will be needed for a kit. Everything will be packed in a single box. So this is perfect ideal solution for the retailing channels, for the shops, for supermarket, and also for online stores. And I would like to introduce our storage solutions, and I would also emphasize with our micro storage solution, which will be the very focus of our market this year. This is our all-in-one micro storage solution. So 2 kilowatt charging discharging unit with a main unit already including with a 2 kilowatt hour of the battery, and it can be also expandable with the stackable battery pack. Each extension battery pack is also 2 kilowatt hour, maximum expanded to 10 kilowatt hour per unit. And this is not the finish of the unit. We can also do parallel connections. It means that for the 2 kilowatt unit, we can parallel connect with 4 units, expanded to 8 kilowatt in total. And I also want to introduce our hybrid microinverter solution. 2 kilowatt of the unit can be connecting with different type and also different brands of batteries, makes maximum flexibility for the home users. And this unit, just like our all-in-one micro storage unit, it also has both the on-grid connections and also the off-grid connections. It means that even when there is no public utility, even when the utility is in blackout, the unit can continuously supplying the electricity to the local home appliance. And for our microinverters and also micro storage, we always provide the zero export function. So it means that when you have the meter already installed, it will be connecting with our microinverter either through Wi-Fi or through RS485, the cable connection. And the meter will be monitoring, will be calculating of the local consumption and sending the data to the microinverter or to the micro storage. And if the microinverter or the micro storage is producing more energy, which the local consumption is needed, then the meter is going to be sending the signal to the microinverter or the micro storage, and both units will be degrading of the power output until here. We can see will be no exceeding power from the home side to the utility side.